Now let's see if all our conditions are being met or not. So let's rotate this, and we can see that everything has come in its position according to the rules that we have given, and we can see the wave effect from the front view. So it's moving as how we have designed. So now for this revolution, I'm going to say it is at 0 in its first position. Now let's do the motion study. Go to Assemble and go for Motion Study. At the first position, let's select this revolution 1. It is at 0. Then at 20, it is at 72. Next 72 into 2, which is 144. Then 72 into 3, which is 216. And then at 80, we have 288. And finally 360. So we can now play this from the beginning, and we can see that we have successfully created this motion. So you can keep it at different positions and run this motion study and see how it is going to look. You can vary the speed from the speed bar. Then you can click OK. And we can also give good appearances to this so that it is rendered properly. Let's save this file. Now let's open this cam rods and cams. So if I want the middle portion to go a little bit more inside when compared to the other things, because it's a drop and the drop usually looks as if it has gone too much inside and then only it creates the ripples. So for this cam, I can change the rotation angle. So for all the others, the difference is 30 degrees. So I'm going to make it as another 30 degrees. That is 60 degrees with respect to the adjacent cams. So now I can update this. And we can see that a little bit of difference will be observed. So this will be back into position once I run the motion study. Yes, it's back in place. And then you run the motion study. You will see that the top portion, that is the center portion, will have the topmost thing when compared to the others at one point of time, so that it looks as if this drop is coming in between and the ripples are created adjacent to it. Similarly, we can bring many variations to this motion by adding more followers and changing the dimensions like the diameter of the cams and the angle of their position. So you can try out different things in this assembly and you can vary the motion.